What's up guys, it's Mental Dude, and today I'm going to be reviewing a little polybag that I got the other day with a magazine. Yes. Not this long. Yeah. But first, let's have a look at the packaging. We have instructions. Yeah. And here, the packaging itself. Ah, God. Yes, it's fire. Oh yeah, it's also bonfire night. Ooh. Oh wow. Not my intended purpose. I did not expect that to happen. Wow. I think I'm right next to the window. Terribly sorry about that. God. Oh well, at least you got a bit of excitement. I'm debating, should I carry on with the review or... Yeah, I'll carry on with the review. I'll just stick it in the title, probably. But wasn't that exciting? But anyway, sorry, let's get on with the review. Terribly sorry. So yeah, we get this minifigure. No exciting. I like the hat piece. It's a nice little piece. Yeah. We also get this, which is a frozen insect. Now you can't really see it on camera. Come on, focus. You might be able to see that there's a bit of dark blue. Yeah, you can just about see it. I'll pick it out better on the... Yeah, you can pick it out a bit better on the packaging. There. Right. You also get this, which is a little thing, and you can knock that bit off. So the idea is that you put this in here. You then grab the vehicle. And it knocks this over and you get it out. Speaking of the vehicle, here it is. It's only small, but it has like a little thing that spins. These parts can move. Yeah, it moves, has a little thing, and yeah, character just sits in here. Yeah. So now exciting. So size comparison. Me. Dilophosaurus. T-Rex. Yes. Focus. Rhythm. Oh well. Oh yeah, focus as soon as I take them away. Yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. I especially like the part where the fireworks rocked up. Just so you know, that was not meant... I was not expecting that to happen. Don't get me wrong, it was a lovely surprise. Oh, yeah, it was a lovely surprise. Anyway. So yeah, that's this week's video done. So that is Mental Dude signing off. Goodbye.